Cognitive science is the science of the mind and tries to understand all aspects of minds, from logic and language to emotions and music, or from basic vision to aesthetic perception of great artworks. In Vienna, we have developed a very broad, multidisciplinary and multi-level approach to cognitive science. This spans from molecules to the humanities, and we include not just the human mind, but also study the minds and behavior of many animal species. We think that understanding the mind requires embracing the viewpoints of many different disciplines, and our specialty in Vienna is to get researchers from different fields to work effectively together to study research questions that only true interdisciplinarity can solve. The University of Vienna is one of the largest and oldest universities in Europe, with over 90,000 students and faculty in all disciplines. This breadth of researchers supports our very broad approach to cognitive science, including psychologists, biologists, art historians, computer scientists, linguists, neuroscientists, philosophers, and more. At the Vienna Cognitive Science Hub, we have been developing this uniquely broad approach for more than 10 years, and most of our research involves researchers from multiple disciplines working together, jointly supervising students, and developing new questions and methods. For example, in one of our research foci, on aesthetics, we ask questions such as, what do people or animals find attractive and beautiful, and why? This involves psychological studies of perception and attention, but also studies of people visiting museums wearing head-mounted eye trackers to see what catches their eye. In comparative aesthetics, we study fundamental commonalities across species. For example, do female birds appreciate image and sound signals together in a similar way as humans? Our research in social cognition asks how and why individuals cooperate or compete with another, and we seek to understand phenomena such as empathy and prosociality, or how friendships and social bonds are established. These skills are not uniquely human, and we study them in a broad range of animal species. This work spans from human brain imaging and hormone analysis to long-term studies on free-flying ravens in the Alps, as well as brain imaging research in dogs. We are also interested in the evolution of special human traits, like language and music. We try to understand what aspects of these abilities are shared with other species, or not. For example, the ability to learn new words or songs is something humans share with birds, elephants, and whales. Why does this ability appear in some species and not others? Again, we combine a wide range of methods and species in interdisciplinary teams including linguists, psychologists, and biologists. To foster innovative and potentially groundbreaking scientific research, we also have strong research-based teaching programs to educate the next generation of researchers in the Vienna style of cognitive science. This includes an interdisciplinary master program in cognitive science that attracts top students from all over Central Europe, and the Vienna Doctoral School of Cognition, Behavior, and Neuroscience with PhD students from around the world. We hope this short introduction sparks an interest in cognitive science and the broad interdisciplinary way we pursue it at the Vienna Cognitive Science Hub. For more information, visit this web address.